CAM, the lead oxide specialists. Today, the production of lead oxide still relies on lead melting. This involves high energy consumption, exhaust emissions, and high maintenance, not to mention unhealthy working environments. To address these issues, we got the idea to shave lead ingots, inspired by watching a waiter grating cheese. After consolidating the lead shaver for small lead ingots, thanks to Matteo Marfisi's insight, we designed the Lead Shaver XL for 1-ton lead hogs. The Lead Shaver XL is able to shave 1-ton lead hogs to feed ball mills specifically for the American market. This system runs on electricity only and can process up to 3 hogs per hour. Thanks to this system, you will shave as you need, with 72% less energy consumed, cheap and easy maintenance, and no chimneys. Unhealthy working environments, high maintenance, and exhaust emissions will just be bad memories. Choose the Lead Shaver XL now, because you deserve better.